wala na umanong komunikasyon kay Roseanne. Megs Malino on his family's support amid allegations against him. It was a tough time. First time po nating ma-experience yung ganun. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, mag-subscribe na at i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa bagong chika. And hopefully, wala nang ganun in the future. And then again, my family was there to support me, and they know what I'm about. They know it's not true. They know I wouldn't be able to do such a thing. Sa ika-10 ng Disyembre taong 2024 ay magbe-birthday na muli ang actor singer at award-winning charity blogger na si Megs Malino. Okay na ba ngayon si Megs Malino sa kabila ng mga pinagdadaanan niya sa personal na buhay? I think so. I think so. I think everything's going well. Sambit ni Megs Malino sa Regal Legacy event noong ika-21 ng Setyembre taong 2024, Sabado ng hapon, sa Valencia Events Place, Quezon City. Better than we expected. Life goes on. So we have to keep on moving, too. Kumusta naman ang puso niya? Ay, ano po, it's still longing for my daughter, syempre. Miss na miss ko yung anak ko, tugon ni Megs Malino. Inaayos pa natin yan. At ipinagdadasal natin ng lahat ng makakaya natin. Naapektuhan maging ang pamilya ni Megs Malino sa isyu sa kanyang mag-ina. It was a tough time. First time po nating ma-experience yung ganun. And hopefully, wala nang ganun in the future. And then again, my family was there to support me, and they know what I'm about. They know it's not true. They know I wouldn't be able to do such a thing. And sobrang loss sa amin yung nangyari. Lahat kami, may Nanay Belen, yung great lola ng anak ko, miss na siya. So, I'm just really doing everything I can na in legal ways ngayon. And that is why I do the interviews also po. Honestly kasi, so I leave a thread for my baby to see one day when she's older. Kaya ko po lahat tinatanggap, syempre sabi naman, pwedeng huwag akong magpa-interview. But I'd rather talk to you, guys. Kasi, hindi po ako masalita masyado. I'm not an angry person. So it takes a lot to trigger me. I guess this is a chance for me to say what I have to say, even though hindi ko masabi lahat. Ano ang message niya para sa anak mo? I love you, anak. Sobra. I miss you so much. I'm doing this. Everything is for you, saad ni Megs Malino. Everything is for you. Even yung mga na-misconceive na answers ko before. All of those were decided based on the idea na, may plano ako, I had a plan. I entered showbiz late. I had a plan and we wanted to grow as fast and high maybe siguro, but hindi lang umabot. Yun. May communication pa ba si Megs Malino at ang nalilink sa kanya na si Roseanne? Wala. We're just friends. We're good friends. Syempre, mabilis na sagot ng makisig na aktor. Hanggang friends lang talaga sila. Opo, sobra. Friends lang. Friends lang tayo. Kahit friends lang, pwede naman, di ba? Natawa si Megs Malino. Ganun po ba kayo? Pinagpapawisan ako sa mga tanong. Hindi ba? Pero friends po, friends. Hindi na sila nagkikita. Hindi na po. Syempre, we have to respect their privacies also. We don't want to add more commotion or whatever. Sa akin na lang yun. Dahil sa kain issue, parang mas naging desirable si Megs Malinaw. Parang lumakas ang dating niya. Parang hindi naman ho. May damages siya. Pero may good things that came out. Pahayag ni Megs Malinaw. Ano bang meron kay Megs Malinaw at ang daming magagandang babae ang nauugnay sa kanya? Ano ho ba yung meron? I don't know. What you see is what you get. Hanggang ngayon ba ay marami pa ring nagyayayang kumain kay Megs Malinaw? Nagme-message, kain tayo. Natawa ang aktor. Actually, hanggang ngayon po. Meron pa rin po. That's funny. I laugh with them. Like right now, it's a laughing matter to me na lang. Hindi siya talaga dapat makaapekto sa atin. I am bigger than this issue. I am bigger than those problems. And I'm here right now. Kasi, we're gonna make history. I am here to make history. Nagka-mental health problems ba siya sa mga isyong kinasangkutan niya last year? I would say na don't play with people who are experiencing those kind of expression. Anxiety, seryosong sagot ni Megs Malinaw. Kasi, it's real. It's real, guys. And we have to take care. Pag yung mga lalaki, guys, boys, you just talk to your friends, family, and just be you. You know, it's not easy, but we will go through it. Everything's gonna be fine. Na-overcome na niya yung ganun. I think so. I think so. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, mag-subscribe na at i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa bagong chika.